All right, you guys. So today we're going to be measuring angles, okay? So we're just going to be seeing what the measurement is for different type of angles today in a circle. So think about a circle first off, and let's think. How many degrees are in a circle? How many degrees is in a full circle? Or think about a turn, like a full turn. How many degrees is that? Good. So if you said 360 degrees, then you're right. So there are 360 degrees in a circle. So what we're going to do is we're going to just find out different angle measurements in a circle. Okay, so like if I say, oh, what is this degree? Or what is this degree? Or what is that degree? Or what is this degree? That's what we're going to look at. Before we get into it, let's just think about certain things. So let's review some things. So like, what kind of angle is this? Great, this is a right angle. And how many degrees are in this angle? Good. So we know this is like a 90-degree angle, right? This is a right angle. We know that this angle is an obtuse angle because it's bigger than 90 degrees and it's bigger than a right angle. It's wider. And then we know like this is an acute angle because it's less than 90 degrees and it's smaller than a right angle. And then we know this is a what? Great, a straight angle. Do you know how many degrees are in a straight angle? Great, 180 degrees are in a straight angle. All right, so that's just like a quick little review on making sure we know how to measure just the regular basic angles that we need to know about. All right, so we're going to think about a circle and we're going to figure out how many degrees are in a circle. So what if I have this angle? How many degrees are in just this shaded portion? So this is like a fourth, right? Because if I break this apart, it's 4 sections. So this is like 1/4. So we're going to say how many degrees are in 1/4 of a circle? What kind of angle is it? Great, you automatically notice, oh, this is a right angle. So I automatically know that it is 90 degrees because it's a right angle, right? So I can say, oh, a fourth of a turn of a circle. Like if this was a turn, I can say 1/4 shaded or a fourth of a turn is 90 degrees. Now, what if though? So what if I have a circle and it is a half a turn or a half of it is shaded? How many degrees would this be? Think about it for a second. What kind of angle is this? Good, it's a straight angle. So how many degrees are in a straight angle? Great. So I know this is 180 degrees. However, you can look at it like this too. Well, I know before we said this was 90 degrees because it's a right angle. Isn't this a right angle too? Yes, it is. So what is 90 plus 90? Excellent, 180. So you can look at it two ways. You can see, oh, this is a straight angle. Or you can say, well, I can break this apart in 90 degrees and 90 degrees is 180 degrees. All right. All right. So let's look at, so I can say this is like a half of a turn because this is 1/4 of a turn. And I turn it again, that's 1/2. So this is a half of a turn. So a half of a turn, you can say is 180 degrees. Half of a turn of a circle is 180 degrees. Or you can say that 2/4 or 1/2 shaded is 180 degrees. So what if I have a circle and I say, ooh, what is 3/4 of a turn? Or 3/4 shaded, right? So that means I'm just going to break this into 3/4. This is 4, and I'm going to shade in 3 of them. And I want to know how many degrees is it? So if I say 3/4 of a turn, this is 1/4, this is 2/4, this is 3/4. All right, and we broke it into 4 sections, and every single piece is like a right angle, right? This is a right angle, this is a right angle, this is a right angle. So how many degrees are in one right angle? Great, 90 degrees. So that means 90 degrees plus another 90 degrees plus another 90 degrees. How many total degrees is that? Good, 270 degrees. So I can say 3/4 of a turn is 270 degrees, or 3/4 of a shade apart is 270 degrees. All right, so let's look at this. What if I want to know how many degrees is 1/6 of a circle? Or if 1/6 is shaded, how many degrees is that? Ooh, so that means I have to break this apart into 6, right? So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So before we figure out how much is 1/6, that means I have to shade in 1/6. I need to think about this. I need to think, how many degrees are in the whole circle? Good, 360 degrees. The total thing is 360 degrees. But if I want to know how many degrees are in one section, I have to divide this. So you have to divide by how many sections there are. There are 6 sections. So 360 degrees divided by there are 6 sections. So when I divide this, I know 360 divided by 6 is 6 times, so I can times this by, I'm just going to do it right here. Times it by 60, and then I know I get 360. So 60. So that means each section is 60 degrees. 60. Let's see if it's true. 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60 is 360 degrees. So that means that if I say what is 1/6 of a circle, you can say, oh, that is 60 degrees. What if I say what is 2/6 of a circle though? How many degrees would you say it is? Good. I will say that's 120 degrees because 60 plus 60 more is 120. What if I say what if I want to know what is 4/6 of a turn? 4/6? So if I shade this in, 4/6 are shaded. All right, how many degrees would that be? Well, 60 times 4 or 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60. Either way. Well, then I know that is 200 and what? Good, 240 degrees altogether, which is these 4. So what we're looking at today is finding how many degrees are in circles. So we're measuring angles within a circle today. You guys did amazing with measuring angles.